how to find Lust Goddess promo code. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find Lust Goddess promo code. Alright, so let's begin with the video. In order to get the promo code for Lust Goddess, you need to simply open up a browser that is available. Then simply type in Lust Goddess in the search bar. Just type in Lost Goddess and promo code 25 inches or whichever year you are in for the latest promo codes. After that, you can see a lot of links here. You may just simply tap on one of the links. If you're lucky enough, you'll be able to receive lots of links and you'll be able to find promo codes as well. So what you need to do is simply go to that link and redeem the code. After redeeming the code, go to Lust Goddess and use that code in order to get different kinds of offers on your Lust Goddess account. Therefore, just follow the steps and you should be able to use those promo codes and get the benefits on Lust Goddess. So that's basically how you can find Lust Goddess promo code. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.